Top 5 The best sports cars in 2022. Before we start, please leave a like and subscribe in the channel. 1. Mazda MX-5. The Mazda MX-5 is one of the very best enthusiast cars on sale, regardless of its relatively low price. There aren't many small, fun, rear-wheel drive sports cars available on the modern market, so most of the MX-5 single-S rivals are actually front-drive hot hatchbacks. The MX-5 might not be practical as an everyday proposition, but involvement behind the wheel is simply in another league. Powered by a choice of a fizzy 1.5 or 2.0-liter petrol engine, it's less about outright performance and focus more on sharp handling and enjoyment. One of the very best manual gearboxes available provides a welcome dose of engagement, while light, direct steering gives feedback by the bucket load. Speaking of buckets, the MX-5 single-S seats are supportive rather than incredibly figure-hugging, and the cabin is very snug, so tall occupants may struggle to get comfortable. The fabric roof can be easily opened and closed from the driver's seat despite its lack of electric assistance, perfect for making the most of Britain's sporadic sunshine at a moment's notice. 2. Porsche 911. Porsche's latest 911 is the most complete yet. It's fast, sophisticated and entirely usable in everyday life. The current crop of Carrera S and 4S models are just as fast as the Carrera GTS from the previous generation, such as the pace of the 911 single-S continued evolution. There are a number of coupe, cabriolet and targa versions of the 992 generation to choose from. At the top of the tree is the Savage 641 bhp Turbo S variant, which manages the 0-62 miles per hour sprint in just 2.7 seconds and a 205 miles per hour top speed. Our pick of the range is the rear-wheel drive Carrera S Coupe. The car's trademark flat-six remains characterful with 444 bhp on tap despite its brace of turbochargers, while the standard PDK dual-clutch gearbox delivers lightning-fast shifts. The 911 single-S breadth of ability is what impresses most. It performs as an engaging sports car, a long-legged tourer, and a comfortable companion, all regardless of road conditions, and all with a surprising amount of ease. 3. Alpine A110. Drawing from a rich history of rear-engined sports and racing cars, the latest Alpine A110 is styled to look and feel much like the French brand's iconic 60s offering of the same name. But with a mid-mounted turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, dual-clutch gearbox and a perfectly judged chassis, the modern A110 is far more modern than its retro-styled bodywork may have you believe. Rivals are more practical, but the Alpine stands as the best choice for keen drivers who want to stand out. The standard A110 makes 249 bhp from its 1.8-liter Renault engine. That might not sound like much, but it's more than enough in a car that weighs in at a mere 1,098 kilograms. The Alpine is just over 300 kilograms lighter than an Audi TTS, and it's this low weight that defines the driving experience. Unlike its German rivals, the A110 offers a pared-back, pure drive. It flows down the road with a delicacy that can only be found in such a light car, while perfect balance, sweet steering and just a hint of roll through the suspension help inspire confidence. The Alpine is refreshingly compact, too, and thanks to a great view forwards, it's very easy to place and not at all intimidating to drive. 4. Porsche 718 Boxster Cayman. The Porsche 718 Boxster and Cayman are the German manufacturer's entry-level roadster and coupe models, with each offering a blend of performance and handling that has seen them remain among our favorite sports machines for years. Unlike its big brother, the 911, the 718 makes do with a 4-cylinder engine that's something of a weak point in an otherwise excellent package. Standard NT models get 296 bhp, but S models receive a boost to 345 bhp. If you desire yet more power, the top-spec GTS cars get a further boost to almost 400 bhp. All versions of this engine are effective rather than emotive, so you'll have to look elsewhere for an exciting engine note. The 6-speed manual and 7-speed PDK dual-clutch gearboxes are great to use, and you'll quickly forget about the lack of a great noise once you come to a set of corners. Beautiful steering, huge grip and a brilliantly damped ride all combine to make the 718 one of the very best sports cars from a driver's perspective. It's more expensive than some rivals, but Porsche's sports car expertise should prove to be worth the extra pennies. Residuals are strong, too. 5. BMW M3 M4. Divisive looks aside, the latest versions of BMW's M3 Saloon and M4 Coupe continue their tradition of mastering both road and track, while all wrapped up in a package that's easy to use as an everyday car, should you choose to. The two latest models have been given a major overhaul, with four-wheel drive and the latest 6-cylinder twin-turbocharged S58 engine being two of the most notable upgrades. The only versions of the M3 and M4 on sale in the UK are the competition spec, but this is definitely no bad thing. The competition cars see an increase of power from 473 bhp to 503 bhp, and an 8-speed automatic gearbox that is optimized to get the most out of the XDR-IVE system. Don't let these changes fool you though. These cars live up to the highly coveted M bloodline and are definitely worthy of a place on this list. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.